Hi and welcome back to my channel. This week's problem is an IGCSE problem. It's on a GCSE paper. Can you solve it? It is about finding the shaded area in this diagram. It's a triangle with side length of 10 centimeters. It's an equilateral triangle and it's got an inscribed circle which is tangent to the three sides of the triangle. Can you find the shaded area? I'm going to show you my solution in 3 seconds, so if you want to try this problem yourself, pause the video now. Otherwise, I'm going to show you my solution. Okay, now the first thing that I wanted to do with this is, as always with circles, to draw the radii. Okay, now these radii will, because of the symmetry, be at angles of 120 degrees. It's going to split the 360 degrees up into 3 angles, like you can see there. Now from there, I also know that a radius meets a tangent at 90 degrees, so we've got these right angles here. I also know, because again of the symmetry, if the full side length from A to B is 5 centimeters, because we've got the same angles, we've got the same radii, we've got the same right angles, we must have the same side lengths. It must split the side length in half from 10 to 5. So A to D would be 5 and D to B would be 5. Okay? Now from there, what I'm going to do is I am actually going to draw a line from the origin of the circle to B, the bottom right of the triangle. Now what that will do is bisect the 120 degrees into two 60-degree angles. Now next thing, I'm going to label my radius, and I've got a right angled triangle here now from EOB or any other similar, or what would it be, corresponding vertices you could use. So you could use like COE, etc. Because there's lots of congruent right angled triangles we've now got in this equilateral triangle. But I'm going to use EOB, where O is the origin of the circle. Okay, now I know I can use right angle trigonometry, and that gives me that tan 60 is equal to 5 over r. If I rearrange that, so times both sides by r and divide both sides by tan 60, I end up with r is 5 divided by tan 60. Okay, now tan 60 will give me 3 over root 3, so when I divide 5 by that, I'm going to get 5 root 3 over 3. So that's my radius, and that will be useful in a second because I can now work out the area of my circle. All I need to do now is work out the area of this equilateral triangle, which the easiest way to do this is to use half AB sine C. So I'm going to do a half of the side lengths, 10 times sine of my angle in between them, which is 60 because it's an equilateral triangle. That gives me 25 root 3. I'm then going to do the area of the circle, so that's pi r squared. That gives me an answer of 25 over 3 pi. And then my final answer is to just subtract those two things from each other. So 25 root 3 minus 25 over 3 pi centimeters squared. And if you want that as a decimal, that would be 17.1 centimeters squared. Hopefully, if you tried this problem yourself, you were able to get the same answer. Maybe you had a different solution. I was thinking of one other one, maybe using some kind of simultaneous equations. Maybe you tried it that way. Let me know down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like on the video, and if you're not already, subscribe to the channel. There should be some other videos up here that you can click on, at least one, that hopefully is similar to this or something you might be interested in. So click on that and that will take you to another video that you might want to watch. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great week, everybody, and I will see you next Monday, 5 PM for another problem solving video. Bye bye.